Hello guys, this is your boy BM Africa, typical village boy born and raised in Kenya. So today guys, I just want to show you guys the flowers around here. We have a lot of flowers here, so I just want to show you just a little so that we can see how things work here, man. Wow. These are the flowers. This is a garden, you see. The garden is so beautiful, man. So let me just pass to you a little. You can see. If you can see, we have a lot of flowers here. A lot of flowers. Very beautiful. Hello my people. This is your boy BM Africa, a typical village boy born and raised in Kenya. So today I just want to show you just the flowers, the nature. I appreciate the nature, and that's why I just want to show you this the flowers. Very beautiful. You can see. Wow. This is how everything is. Like, I love the nature. That's why, guys, let me just take a little and show you guys. Wow. Wagwan. This is your boy BM Africa, and this is how I dressed today. Look at me. Yes. Yeah. And you see my shoes? Very expensive. We share the same shoes with car. This is how everything is. The flowers. Very beautiful. See? If you love the nature, let me take you just a little inside so that you can see how things going here. And if you love what I'm doing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that's the only way you can support the typical village boy born and raised in Kenya. And this is your boy BM Africa. Look at it. Everything is super nice, natural. Yeah. Wow. Look at it. Everything is nice, guys. I love being here in Africa. And look at this. Have you ever seen a tree like this? With the bullets, see? Sharps. You cannot climb this one. Let me take you around. Just see. You cannot climb up because it has sharp-handed. See? Wow. This is how everything is. Look at it. We have a lot of trees. We don't cut trees. We appreciate the nature. We don't cut trees. We protect. We don't kill the animals. We also protect our heritage. This is how everything is, guys. Wow, look at it. We have a chair here. Wow, this is how everything is. Look at it. Look at that one. Wow, very nice. Let me set here. Just bring you guys. What's up, my people? This is your boy BM Africa. Look at the logo. You see the logo? Wow. What's up, my people? This is your boy BM Africa, a typical village boy born and raised in Kenya. So today I just want to take you just a little around to see how the environment. If you know how to protect the environment, you if you want to cut a tree, that is not allowed in my village, which is not good at all. Cut trees, no. You are not supposed to cut the trees. And this is how everything here is, guys. Wow, I love being here in Africa. So today I just want to take you around. You see some new flowers, trees, different types of trees, and flowers also, and how it's decorated. You can come here, you get more about more trees, more flowers. how things works here, you know. It's very nice place. Africa is beautiful, guys, I told you, and that's why I love being here in Africa. Africa is very beautiful. So guys, this is how everything is, guys. I just want to show you more flowers here, and also some trees, yeah, and how it's more decorated. So I just want to show you uh, about this, guys, you know. So this is how everything is. Okay, let me take you just a little for a trip. If you can see behind me, we have a lot of trees. Just see. Wow, we have a lot of trees. This is how the environment look like. If you can see, this is my shoes, you know. This is my shoes. Let me take you close and see my shoes how it is, man. This is my shoes. These shoes come from the tires. You see the tires there? So we fabricate our own shoes from here. If you can see my shoes, see these shoes here. So you check this one. So we fabricate this one. You see some nails. This is a nail. Yeah, nail. You see. So this is how we make our shoes. You see, very beautiful. Yeah, it depends on a number that you are wearing, which number, you know. But this one just wear like that. And also you can make another one with you put a guard for protecting your toes, you know. Yes, that's a different designs. We have a lot of design here. Wow. So you can see the birds up there. Wow, can you hear the sound of the birds, the windy, the breeze? Everything is super nice, very amazing. Look at it, look at that tree. So this one, you cannot climb this tree because it has a lot of sharp handed, you see, very sharp, so you cannot climb. And I wish all trees should be like this, so that you cannot climb, cut, or draw. Yeah, I love the nature. Actually, this is very beautiful, guys. Look at it. Wow, this is Africa, guys. This is Africa. Wow, look at it. Very nice, very decorated. See the design. When when you draw away your tires, the tires, this is what I can do for your plant. You see, you draw away, we bring it here, and we make it like this. Wow, this is Africa. I love being here in Africa. This is very beautiful, guys. Look at it. I mean, love this. Wow, look at it, guys. Let me take you just slowly. Yeah, we don't cut trees here. Look at it. Wow, this is how everything is. I love it, man. So let me just take you slowly. We see a little plant. Let's go. Look at this one. This is a flower also. Also that one. We love it, guys. Look at it. And the grass is very, you see? Wow, very green. Okay, let me just take you slowly and show you more flowers, you know. Look at these flowers everywhere. Wow, very beautiful, guys. Wow. Wow, very nice flowers. Yeah, look at this. Wow, very nice. Wow, look at that one. Very nice. Yeah, wow. the power of flowers. I love it, guys. Very nice. Look at that one. Wow. 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 The bees there. Very nice. Wow. Look at it. This is how everything is. Wow. This is Africa, guys. Yeah. I love being here in Africa. Look at it, guys. Wow, Africa is beautiful, guys. All those trees. Wow, very nice, very nice. Look at it. This is how everything is. Look there. Africa is beautiful. Look at the trees. Everywhere. Trees are everywhere. Wow. Wow, look at that one. Very, very nice. A lot of flowers here. Yeah, let me take you to the bush on the other side. Wow. Look at the trees. Now the trees are growing big. Look at it, guys. Wow. This is how everything is. This is Africa, guys. Can you imagine this is Africa? Look at it, the bush. Wow. Very beautiful. Wow. Trees. Look at the trees, guys. Trees are big. Even at the bush, guys. Very nice. Wow. Also the birds. Wow. Wow, this is Africa, guys. I really love this. Look at it. We are in Africa. Oh my god, this is beautiful, guys. Wow. And we also have some new flowers in the nursery. You look inside there. So let me just take you around so that we can see more and more things. Wow. Very beautiful, guys. Look at it. It's very designed, this place, you know. Very, very beautiful. It's the birds there. Look at the flowers, the bush. Very nice. So let me just take you look at the flower, the trees. We get to plant more and more trees, you know. Look at that one. Wow, look at this. Wow, very nice, guys. Oh my god. This is Africa. And this is Africa, guys. Look at this. Wow. We call it all right. Let me take you just a little so that you can see more and more. Wow. And this is your boy BM Africa. Stop the ivory. Yeah. We protect the animals. Wagwan, let's go. And we love the flowers. We love the nature. We have a lot of things here. Look at the bush, very nice. Wow, look at this. That one, wow. That's a bird nest. It's a nest for the bird. Oh, you see the bird up there? It's there, you see? Wow. And that's a bird nest there. Wow, very beautiful. Trees, some flowers. So we used to this one has something inside. Very sweetie. Eh? You can drink this. There's a water, but it's very sweet inside. A lot of water. Yeah. You drink this? Yep. Wow. You see that one? Wow, very nice. This is Africa. Wow, a lot of flowers. Look at the tree. This one is growing, and I love when it's growing. Let's go.